Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's second splash review video, I'll to share with you some proof that some more profit and monthly recurring commissions have recently come in. But more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how you can join Second Splash for free. You can earn monthly recurring commissions like the one I'm showing you now on the screen, even as a free member. And you can also get viral passive traffic with Second Splash. A bit later on the video, I'm going to share with you our team's free done-for-you success system that we're going to give you. And with that system, you can turn your Second Splash program from one income stream into 3 passive income streams. So I'm live here in my Gmail account where I get my notifications, and this one is a subscription renewal. So it's where one of my referrals pays monthly. So you can stay free for life, but you can upgrade for more benefits with Second Splash. It's a $10.48 commission, $10.48 commission. I'll just take you inside the members area, and you'll see that I'm getting clicks on my splash pages, so you're going to get free traffic as well. And if we go on here with commissions, then this now totals $230 of profit. And I got a free upgrade because I had a degree of success with the parent product, Easy Cash for Ads. I'll come to that shortly. You see here, $97 was one income, one commission that I earned with Second Splash, because your referrals do get an option to upgrade for yearly, and then you get a higher commission there if they decide to do that. And I've been paid out everything else, and this one here that I just earned, I'll get paid out next month in June. So your commissions are, excuse me, 30 days in arrears. So the next income stream is the bonus income. I'll go onto the dashboard again, and you come over here to bonus income. And the bonus income is it's a one-time payment of $19, and it's called Easy Cash for Ads. Now, the great thing about Easy Cash for Ads is they do give you several reasons here to join. And then the great thing about Easy Cash for Ads is there's no monthly membership costs, but you can put your and it offers your promoting inside the Easy Cash for Ads system, and you put that offer in front of 100% buyers on autopilot. So it's not just an income source, it's an autopilot buyers traffic source as well. So if you join through my link in the description, you can join Easy Cash for Ads there. And then all you do is when you've joined, you put your Easy Cash username into here, you update, and then when you promote Second Splash, you can start to earn Easy Cash for Ads commission. And that's also not just referral commissions, but also passive income as well. So you'll see here, if you go onto my channel and you look at my Easy Cash for Ads review, either of playlist or on the channel page, you'll see so far I've earned $800 in profit with Easy Cash for Ads. So again, not only a great traffic source, but also a good referral and passive income source as well. So I recommend if you join Easy Cash for Ads, and sorry, if you join, excuse me, Second Splash, join Easy Cash for Ads as well. So you can put it into your funnel, and then you're just going to promote one link. And you can also promote it by itself, which I do as well. So you can promote it on its own as a standalone offer. And we're going to give you, if you join our team, there'll be a link in the description where you can join Second Splash. So your name goes in there, your email, and we're going to give you this lead capture page here. And also we're going to give you this page here. So what happens is when you set up this funnel, give you a training video here how to set your funnel up. It's very beginner friendly. So even if you're brand new, excuse me, you don't even have to learn loads of code or anything like that. We just give you a training here, step by step, how to set your funnel up. So it's just copy and paste. And then when you copy and paste a share code, it'll duplicate a lead capture page exactly the same as this one here, and you'll just get your own affiliate link to promote. You can promote one link, and then what happens is when your prospects opt in, they'll come to this page and they can join Second Splash up here. So there'll be your referral in Second Splash here. We teach you how to put your affiliate link in there with this video. Really beginner friendly, really simple. And then they can also join Leads Leap through here. And the beauty of that is this is where it turns your Second Splash funnel into a third passive income stream. So when you put your Leads Leap affiliate link into here, then you can earn monthly recurring commissions as a free member. So you'll see so far my total earnings with Leads Leap are $650. 99% of that has come through monthly recurring commissions. So Leads Leap, great tools, great traffic. You can use these tools to not only promote Second Splash, but you can use these tools to promote any online business, any offer as well. So great set of tools, great traffic that goes all over the internet. So I've done lots of other Leads Leap reviews, but we just created a really simple system for you. And all you're going to do is once you've set your system up, is you'll be a member of Second Splash. You'll just promote this page through one link. And once you've set your system up, we just help you to promote that. And if you want to promote your link with my best 5 free traffic sources, I'll pin this I'll pin this blog post that I wrote to the top comment below this video. So if you're on a tight budget and you want to start earning some affiliate commissions with free traffic, then these are my best free traffic sources that I personally use every day to generate leads and commissions. And I've jumped around a little bit on this video, but the way it works is you click the link in the description here, put your name and your email in, join Second Splash, and then you'll get a page exactly the same as this. And all you'll do is join Leads Leap, put these codes into Leads Leap, and then you'll just promote. There's a video there that teaches you how to do it. And then you'll just promote one link, which will be this page here. And then you can start to earn as a free member monthly recurring commissions. And if you join Easy Cash for ads on top of that, then you can earn 3 passive income, monthly income commissions. So a nice, simple, done for you system, especially if you're brand new and you're looking to start earning some commissions and you want to start generating some consistent commissions. It's a done for you system that you can set up, and then you can start to promote straight away, even with free traffic. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share this video with anybody you think would be interested in making money online. If you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. And currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about Second Splash or Easy Cash for ads, Leads Leap, anything that I've covered within this video, then please leave those comments below, questions below in the comments, and they'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.